Hi there everyone, welcome back to Infinity Drones. Today we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to use your radio with an ExpressLRS module to connect to your computer wirelessly. Now, this is something that guys seem to forget. ExpressLRS is something extremely amazing. They are innovative, they're bringing new features, but a lot of the features, once you've set it up, you don't need to use again. You've set it up and you kind of forget about it because your quads always remain the same. But the one feature that I think is very overlooked is to use your radio as a joystick, or essentially as a simulator controller. So if you want to just turn on your controller, in this case, I'm using the Radio Master Boxer, and what I can do is I can simply go to my ExpressLRS module, and I'm just going to hold my button in. I'm going to go to ExpressLRS, and I'm going to scroll down. If you guys can see, let me just zoom in there. And you're going to see there I've got BLE joystick. So essentially I'm going to turn it on, and you're going to see that my joystick is now currently in a running state. So what I'm going to do is, on my computer, I'm going to jump over to my Bluetooth settings, typically found on your address bar at the bottom right, or you can just search your control panel. You can go to add Bluetooth device, and you can see here all of my devices. I'm going to click add new device, and I'm going to click on a Bluetooth device. Now it's going to scan and try and find a Bluetooth device. As you guys can see here, it has already found my controller. I'm going to select the joystick, and now it's done. I've now connected my Boxer radio to my computer, and I am now ready to use. As you can see, it's also now in a 100% running state. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to close this. I can now go to my games directory, for instance. I'm just going to jump into Velocidrone and just jump in and let the ball get rolling. Okay, so we've opened up Velocidrone, and we can now jump over to our controller settings. If you take a look at the system in front of me, it says it's an unknown, unconfigured controller, and I can move the sticks and nothing is going to work. So what are we going to do? We are going to assign sticks. So essentially click on, if you click on add control, you can see move a stick. It's quite nice with Velocidrone, it automatically detects items. So I'm just going to say move a stick on the controller you want to select. Okay, so let me just move my throttle. You can see mapped my access already. So it's already detecting my settings. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to assign my sticks so that we can get the ball rolling. So I've got it here, assign sticks, follow the sticks. Just move my sticks out of the way. And you can see I'm just following the sticks. Now center the sticks, there we go. And I'm simply following the instructions on the screen. And as you guys can see, my throttle's working, my yaw's working, my roll's working, and my pitcher's working. And there you go. ExpressLRS used as a Bluetooth device. Now there's no wires whatsoever connected, and you can have a hands-free experience. If you guys like what I'm doing, please consider to click the subscribe button. It really does help out the channel. There's also some affiliate links below, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.